finger okra 500 grams. Salt namak 1 tbps. Turmeric haldi a half tsp. Red chili powder 1 tsp. Brown flour besan 2 tsp. Mix everything perfectly. Add curd 5 tablespoons and salt half tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tsp. Red chili powder 1 tsp. Mix everything perfectly. Oil tail 1 big tsp. Cumin jeera a half tsp. Add the marinated bhendi and mix everything perfectly. Pull out the fried bhendi in the bowl. Oil tail 3 big tsp. Onion to cut it. Mix everything perfectly. Ginger garlic paste 2 tsp. Mix everything perfectly. Tomato puree a half bowl. Mix everything perfectly. Mix curd masala marinated a half bowl. Mix everything perfectly. Fenugreek kashuri methi 1 tsp. Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tsp. Water pani a half bowl. Now add the fried bhendi in this curry. Mix everything perfectly. Steaming Lasuni Bhendi Masala for 8 to 10 minutes. Mix a little before you serve. Oh wow! My Lasuni Bhendi Masala is ready. I am so eager to eat it. Hope you like this recipe. Like, share and comment for more videos. Stay tuned.